Since the very beginning of FD Cosplay Studio, our constant issue was a production timeline. If you ever been ordering from our studio, you know that if you want to get anything from us, despite it being ready-made or, for example, some individual commission, you need to wait. The waiting line usually been starting from 6 weeks and can be going up to 6 months depending on our availability. And I know that this is a very normal thing for a couture cosplay that we provide here, yet it constantly was some kind of challenge. So I decided to change that. So right now, after the whole rebuild of FD Cosplay Studio took around half a year. Last autumn I possessed the role of the student production lead at the studio, so I was responsible for planning and building up team. The main thing that we did is basically we've been working with the construction line and construction specialist, as this is definitely the most complicated part of the project. In regular student business you usually have 1 constructors and 4 seamstresses, sometimes 6, depending on constructors, availability and skills. Yet here at FD Cosplay Studio it works very differently, because you don't sew jackets or you don't sew pants, you sew everything, everywhere, all at once. So this is the part that we've been working on. We definitely were working with seamstresses and also expanding our 3D printing department and definitely expanding our embroidery department, so now we're having an embroidery machine. And grace to that, FD Cosplay Studio was able to expand our production capability. If we were starting with 6-7 projects per month, right now we were able to expand to 13-14 projects per month, which I see as a great success. So if you've ever been thinking about getting a costume and maybe you're having a last moment, this is definitely a great chance to get to FD Cosplay Studio, maybe send a code, maybe talk with us. Because, yeah, definitely this is something that we rebuilt, and honestly, I can't wait to see how much I can expand marketing abilities of FD Cosplay Studio.